Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 to lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this expression. So, grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. To reduce the rational expression x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1 to lowest terms, you need to first rewrite the expression by factoring the numerator, which is the top part of the fraction. Step 1. Factor the numerator. Look at the numerator, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1. To factor this, recognize that x squared minus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial can be rewritten as the square of a binomial. In this case, x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equivalent to x minus 1 times x minus 1. Essentially, this means the same as x minus 1 squared. We rewrite the numerator as follows: x minus 1 squared. So the expression now looks like this: x minus 1 squared over x minus 1. Explanation. To understand why we rewrite x squared minus 2x plus 1 as x minus 1 squared. 1. Consider the expression x minus 1 multiplied by itself, or x times x minus 1 times minus 1 times x minus 1. 2. This results in x squared minus x plus 1, which simplifies to x squared minus 2x plus 1 again. Thus, the original numerator x squared minus 2x plus 1 can be factored into the square of x minus 1. This factoring helps identify common factors in both the numerator and denominator for simplification in the next steps. This completes step 1. Step 2. Cancel common factors. The current expression we have is x minus 1 squared over x minus 1. This means the same as x minus 1 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. Notice that x minus 1 is present both in the numerator, the top part, and the denominator, the bottom part. Since both the numerator and the denominator share a common factor of x minus 1, we can cancel this common factor. Canceling essentially means removing the common x minus 1 factor from both parts. When we cancel out one x minus 1 factor from the numerator and the denominator, we are left with simply x minus 1. Because we have cancelled out the common factor, the rational expression is now simplified to its lowest terms. So, the simplified or lowest term of the original expression is x minus 1. Explanation. The reason we can cancel the x minus 1 factor is that any non-zero number divided by itself equals 1. Therefore, when we remove the same factor from both the numerator and the denominator, we are simplifying the fraction to its most reduced form. This concludes the process. And our final simplified expression is x minus 1